Brake fluid can damage paint and plastics. Before you begin, lay down towels or cloths around the work area to prevent brake fluid from damaging the paint inside the car. First, carefully remove the brake fluid reservoir. Pour the old fluid into a clean container. After draining the reservoir, disconnect the brake hose connected to it and pour any remaining brake fluid from the hose into the container. Subsequently, retrieve a new brake hose of the same specifications and connect it to the brake fluid reservoir. After tightening all connection points, return the reservoir to its original mounting position. Next, crawl under the car to locate the master cylinder. Disconnect the old brake line from the master cylinder and use a container to collect the remaining brake fluid in the line. Open a new bottle of DOT3 brake fluid and fill the reservoir to max. Only use new, unopened fluid for optimal performance. Slowly depress the brake pedal several times to purge any remaining air from the lines. Continue until no more air bubbles emerge from the reservoir and the pedal feels firm when pressed. Finally, tighten the cap on the fluid reservoir, wipe down the interior of the vehicle, and test the brakes at low speed in a safe area before resuming normal driving.